In today's fast-paced digital world, social media has become a powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike. Twitter, with its concise format of 280 characters per tweet, offers a unique opportunity to connect with your audience and create viral content that resonates. However, crafting tweets that truly stand out can be challenging. In this article, we will explore effective strategies to help you tweet like a pro and create content that captures the attention of your audience. Understand your audience. To create viral content on Twitter, it is crucial to understand who your target audience is. Take the time to research their interests, preferences, and pain points. By understanding what makes them tick, you can tailor your tweets in a way that speaks directly to their needs or desires. Embrace emotional objectives. Emotions play an integral role in capturing attention on social media platforms like Twitter. Identify the emotional objectives of your target audience. What do they want to feel when engaging with your content? Whether it's excitement, inspiration, or empathy, tap into these emotions through compelling storytelling or thought-provoking statements. Provide unique rationale. In order for your tweets to stand out from the crowd and resonate with your audience deeply, offer unique rationale behind the information you share. Instead of merely stating facts or opinions commonly found elsewhere on the internet, provide an alternative perspective or valuable insights that are not easily accessible elsewhere. Offer concrete takeaways. Numbers have a powerful impact on our perception of information credibility and value. Incorporate concrete takeaways into your tweets whenever possible. Whether it's statistics supporting an argument or actionable tips presented as bullet points within the limited character count of each tweet. Expand on points. While brevity is key on Twitter due to its character limit constraints, don't shy away from expanding on your points through tweet threads or linking to longer-form content. This allows you to provide more context, delve deeper into a topic, and engage your audience in a meaningful conversation. Utilize transitional words and phrases. Transitional words and phrases are essential for creating coherence and flow within your tweets. They help connect sentences and paragraphs seamlessly, making it easier for your audience to follow along with the message you're conveying. Some examples of transitional words include, however, therefore, in addition, or, on the other hand. Employ subheadings with keyword-rich titles. When composing longer tweets or tweet threads, consider using subheadings with keyword-rich titles to make it easier for users to skim through the content quickly. These subheadings act as signposts that guide readers through different sections of your tweet thread while also improving search engine optimization, SEO, by incorporating relevant keywords. Be authentic and engage. Twitter is a platform that thrives on authenticity and engagement. Be genuine in your interactions with followers, respond promptly to their comments or questions, and actively participate in conversations related to your industry or niche. Conclusion: mastering the art of viral tweets. In conclusion, tweeting like a pro requires an understanding of your audience's needs, emotions, and desires. By providing unique rationale behind the information you share while offering concrete takeaways supported by numbers, you can create viral content that resonates deeply with your target audience. Remember to expand on points when necessary, but keep in mind Twitter's character limit. Utilize transitional words and phrases effectively to maintain coherence within each tweet or tweet thread. Lastly, be authentic in engaging with followers by responding promptly and participating actively in conversations related to your industry or niche. By implementing these strategies consistently over time while staying true to yourself as a brand or individual entity on Twitter, you can increase engagement levels significantly, leading not only higher visibility but also increased brand loyalty and conversions. So, go ahead and put these tips into practice to tweet like a pro, create viral content that resonates with your audience, and take your Twitter game to new heights. Happy tweeting!